So in this video, I'm going to share with you 13 digital products that you can sell in 2023. So if you're actually looking how to start selling online and you want to start up with digital products, but you don't know what digital products is all about or what kind of digital products can you sell on the internet. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the type of digital product you can sell online and what is digital products. So basically, digital products is products that is being sold on the internet. So we repackage all of these products that I want to sell, services, and then we rebrand it and then we sell them on the internet. So one of the advantages of selling digital products is that you have the ability to reach out to thousands of millions of people on the internet, contrary to having a physical location whereby you're only limited to people that are within your surrounding or within your environment. But let's say you live in Lagos, Nigeria, and you own a physical shop in Lagos Island. So most likely you are limited to people within Lagos Island, people within Lagos, and people most likely within Nigeria. But with digital products, you can actually sell a product someone in UK, someone in Dubai, and as much country as you can be able to cover. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 13 digital products idea that you can actually go and start selling online in 2023. So let us dive right straight into the video. So the first product you can actually sell is actually called Ebooks. So what is ebooks? Ebooks are basically books that you sell on the internet, just like we have physical books, hard copy books. So ebooks are like soft copy books. You package all of these books on the internet and then you sell them. So you show your expertise and knowledge by creating and selling ebooks on various topics. All these topics could be like self-help, business, technology, niche, or niche specific subject like health and make money online. So there are different niches you can actually create. It depends on your expertise. So what you are good at, you actually create and share knowledge on it. I actually have a video on my channel where I share with you how to create and sell ebooks. So I'm going to put the link in the video in the description. So just go and check out. After watching this video, you can go and check out how to start selling ebooks online. So you can create and sell ebooks online basically just by sharing your expertise. You can actually go on Amazon too and also buy my book on Amazon on how to sell on WhatsApp. So you can buy my ebook too on Amazon if that's what you want to go and check out. After watching this video, you can go there and go and buy my book. Let me just show you the book exactly. So you can, when you see it on Amazon, you will be able to buy it and know the particular book you are getting. So when it loads up, you come here, you click how to sell on WhatsApp. Click on search. So it's going to show up, this page is going to load up. Then I'm going to show you the exact one that you should go and buy, which is my own. This is my book here, how to sell on WhatsApp, how to make money on WhatsApp. So you can go here and click on the link. It's actually selling for $5. You can just go there and go and pay for the book and get access to the book. There's a lot of value pack in it. So basically, that's it. That's actually how to sell on an ebook on different platforms. You just watch my video, you'll be able to learn how to sell ebook using Seller. The next stuff is actually selling online courses. So what is online courses? So online courses are basically you developing comprehensive courses online, like digital marketing, programming, graphic design, photography, or any skill that you can excel in. Let's say you know how to teach people, you know how to do data analysis. You can put all those your skills. Let's say you know how to use R, you know how to use Python, you know how to use RTI Invest. You can actually put all of those skills in a course, teach people comprehensively, and then sell it online. So let's say you know how to do digital marketing, you can sell courses on digital marketing, create online courses, and then sell them online. So this is another digital product you can actually sell online. So the next product you can actually sell online is stock photography or videos. So you can sell high quality photography or videos by selling them on Creative Market. You can sell them on a website called creativemarket.com. And this is Creative Market. I opened the website not very long ago. Yeah, so this is creativemarket.com. You can come here and sell your designs. You can sell your photography videos. You can sell your social media marketing materials. You can sell all of this stuff on creativemarket.com, or you can also sell on Etsy. The next one is actually graphic design. So you can sell graphic design templates. you can create and customize graphic design templates and sell this graphic design templates on Etsy. You can sell it on Creative Market, like I said before. So you can create and sell customizable graphic design templates for social media posts, presentation, logos, business cards, website layout. You can sell all of these things on Etsy. You can sell it on creativemarket.com. You can also sell mobile apps. So you can create mobile apps and catering for specific needs such as productivity, tracking, fitness. In Nigeria now, people are calling developers to actually create apps that can help people to track. So people are looking to get tracking partners. So you can create an app that link people, 2 or 3 people or 4 people together, so they can go out together and track together, be able to network and grow, and be able to network and explore together, basically. So you can develop app and sell those apps. Those are digital products you can actually sell in 2023. If you're actually liking this video, you are gaining knowledge so far, tell me the particular idea you've gained so far that you are going to implement. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me if you're watching me on Facebook, and so I can be able to grow on YouTube and also be able to make more valuable content like this. The seventh one is actually selling web themes and templates. So you can actually design and sell web themes and templates that are actually appealing. You can sell website themes for popular content management system like websites, Shopify or Squarespace. So you can actually sell all of this in on Code Canyon. There's a website called Code Canyon that you can actually go and sell. Look at it, Code Canyon. You can go to Code Canyon and you can go and sell all your products that you've actually developed. So you can go and sell WordPress themes, WordPress plugins. You can sell a lot that works with Shopify and WordPress or Squarespace on this particular platform called codecanyon.net. So you can come here, list your product, and then you sell it here. You can see web themes. Like I said, you just click on web themes, open an account, click on web themes or publish your web themes, and you can be able to sell it on this particular platform called Code Canyon. The next one is actually selling online music lessons. So you can be able to offer, if you know how to play guitar. For me, I know how to play guitar. I do guitar lessons for people. You can go and create an online school, and then you offer visual music lessons. You teach people how to play guitar, keyboard, drum, depend on any skills that you have online that's to do with music. You can teach them music lessons and sell them on the internet. The next skill you can actually sell is actually called digital artwork. You can create and sell digital artwork and illustrate this particular digital artwork. You can sell them on Printful. This particular website I opened before called Redbubble. You can sell them on Redbubble. You can sell on Printful. You can sell this particular stuff on Printful, and you can make tons of money. You can also sell on Etsy and also on creativemarket.com. The next thing you can actually sell is actually called podcast. So a lot of us is familiar with this. People create premium podcasts on niche topics. Let's say people that have a podcast that they share basic premium value on how to make money online. You can actually create podcasts like that, or you share premium value on maybe health, anything that you know how to do. You can share premium value on it, and people pay to get access to this podcast. You can do that. Create exclusive content or bonus to episodes to people that actually subscribe to this your podcast, and they can buy it. They can buy it as digital product. The next one is actually webinars. So we are all familiar with this. You can host webinars and then a virtual workshop, and then you sell this particular workshop. I'm going to be hosting a webinar very soon on how to do e-commerce. So if you actually want to join the waiting list, the webinar is not going to be free. It's going to be selling for 10,000 naira. I'm going to bring out more information about the webinar very soon. So you can sell webinar workshop, and people that wants to buy your webinar, that wants to attend your webinar, will pay for it and get access to it. The next one you can actually sell is software and plugins. Just like we can sell themes, we can sell software and plugins. We can develop them and sell them on TeamForest. We can sell them on Evento. We can sell them on Code Canyon. Like I said, you can sell them on Evento Markets too, on TeamForest.net. So you can create software and sell this particular software on the internet. The next one is actually offering visual consultation. Offer visual consultations. If you are a coach, you are a career coach, you do anything online. You can on self-development, personal development, on finance. You can offer visual coaching and consultation, and then people pay to get access to it. And the last one is actually called digital marketing, which is what I do. I provide digital marketing services such as search and SEO, social media management, content creation, email marketing, and I also run social media advertisement for people. So if you want to run adverts, you want me to run Facebook ads, you want to work with me on your digital marketing services, or you want me to run ads for any particular platform you actually want to promote your business in, I'm going to put a link in the description that says work with me. I provide digital services for any brand that wants to grow on the internet. If you want to work with me, you're going to see the link on the description. Work with me, click on it and send me an email. We're going to work together. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in my next video.